So you want to access Alibre PDM remotely outside of its local network, but you have to set up a port forward or a VPN or something else to get in. Well, today, let's talk about using another service that will let you access Alibre PDM remotely without any network configurations or port forwarding. This is called Tailscale. Let's take a look. Now here we are at tailscale.com, and we want to sign up for this, and so we'll click on Get Started. It's free to be able to sign up, and we'll sign in to one of these services. And once we sign in to one of our services, we're brought to this screen, so we'll just quickly fill out what we'd like to do with it. So now we can add our first device, and I'm going to download Tailscale for Windows because I'm running in this Windows 11 machine. We'll go ahead and run through the install process here. And now we might want to log in our system tray, so we'll come over here in our taskbar and we'll select Tailscale, and here it invites me to log in, so we'll go ahead and sign in. And then I can click on Connect. And now we have a successful login. So we'll go to Visit the Console. And within the console here, we have my machine that I just logged in on. Let's assume that this is the machine running Alibre PDM. Now we're going to want to make sure that our clients can connect to this, and so we can repeat the process that we've just done on every client and sign in with the same username and password, and they'll show up down here, and we'll all be on the same tailnet and be able to log in. But what if our clients have different Tailscale accounts? Well, we can still deal with that. We'll go with Share over here, and we can email a share link to each client. Now we have done just that, and I received an email from Tailscale telling me that a device has been shared with me. So I'll go ahead and accept the device invite, and I'll click on Accept Invite. And now if I click on my Machines tab, it may take a moment for this machine to show up here. There it goes. So now we have, I have two machines on my tailnet, and let's log in using Alibre PDM. Now that we were able to connect all of our devices in Tailscale, I can go ahead and open my PDM browser and go over here to New Connection, right? We'll select New Connection, and I'll type in the IP address of the Tailscale machine that is running the PDM server that I'd like to connect to. And I'll make sure I specify the port. And I'll specify credentials. And again, this is my machine name. And then this will be the username that was given to me by the machine running the Alibre server. And then I'll connect. And we'll say OK. Now, if I open my list of projects, I have a series of projects and things that are on this remote server. So the connection was successful, and we were able to get a remote connection without needing to do any special network configuration or port forwarding. And there we have it. We have a remote access to an Alibre server without the need for port forwarding or any specific network configurations. Tailscale keeps things end-to-end encrypted, so I think you'll be secure the entire way. This is a great alternative if you don't want to do some specific networking work to access remotely. And thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.